Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by my buddy Mike. Thanks so much, Mike. We're going to take a look at what's inside here in just a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's a link right down in the description for my Patreon. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Mike always sends cool stuff, so I'm really excited because I have a terrible memory and I can never remember. I know what my list of knives that I was looking for consists of. It's still going to be a surprise because sometimes people send me stuff that's on the list and sometimes they message me and say, do you want to check this out? It's not on your list, right? And then I forget. So I also need to have something to say while I'm unboxing it. We've got a few things in here. Brown knives, okay. Cannot remember. And then we have a Hinderer. What? Oh, what's in there? Lots of packing material. Thanks, Mike. Take a look at this note here real quick. I love notes. Thank you to everybody who sends notes. Schwinkendorf, he actually, thank you. He wrote out the pronunciation. Thank you. Yeah, that's right. You'll pronounce it perfectly now. Thanks, buddy. All right, so let's go ahead and take. I'm curious about the Hinderer. Oh, this is the new Eklipse. Yes. All right. Awesome. This is the new Tri-Way Eklipse. This is the first time I've ever handled it. It's got some cool blacked out hardware on there. Yeah, here we go. Ready? Oh, yes. Very nice. Oh, it's so nice. It feels, now this feels just like the ZT0392. So there's the, it's like how the ZT0392 is to the Eklipse as the 0562 is to the XM18, right? But now both the XM18 and the Eklipse actually have the Tri-Way, and for anybody who doesn't know, that's the pivot system that allows you to switch out the bearings with phosphor bronze or nylon. I don't know if he's got it all in here, but yeah, I think he does. Let's just show it real quick. Comes there. It's got bearings pre-installed, but you can do that whenever you want. You can take it apart and switch those out. And then it also has the steel lock bar insert, right? And the detent is completely different than it was years ago when Hinderer knives were known for not having great detents. So this is beautifully smooth. Very cool. Can't wait to talk about that one. That's the first time I've had that on the channel. And then this guy right here, what do we have? Oh, that's right. I forgot that you were sending this. And let me move this out of the way so that I don't drop it. This is a brown... God, look at that micarta. Ooh, boy, that is a look. Holy crap. Look at this. I'm going to guess that that is a top. Yeah. That's really, really nice. Oh. Hang on. Let me look at the notes. This is the Brown Cortex, made by Craig Brown out of Blaine, Wisconsin. He's an aerospace engineer turned knife guru. Well, that would explain why this thing seems like it is from space. God dang, that is really beautiful. Guys, this is going to be an expensive knife. I don't know that I can link it, right? I know people are looking at, oh my gosh, I'd love to have that. I can pretty much guarantee that this is going to be a very expensive knife. This is not in the same ballpark as your $200 Wii knives. Absolutely not. Beautiful. Beautiful milling there up on the, I guess we're going to call these bolsters, right? Beautiful. Well, it's like blue laced carbon fiber. Man, look at the backspacer. Oh, boy. This is not a review. This is an unboxing, first impressions. Very first time I've ever experienced this knife. A review will come down the road here in a couple of weeks, maybe a little bit longer for this guy because I really need to make sure and get everything right. Big fan of that pocket clip. Boy, that's nice. Let's take a look at the blade. Man. God. Yeah, very thin behind the edge. Beautiful. I don't know what steel this is. I'm going to guess, I'm going to guess it's a modern high-end super steel, right? Can you top flip it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's do that again. Oh, that's satisfying. Guys, this is a frictionless fall shed. That's as good of an action as I have ever experienced on this channel. Very, very cool. Oh, how easy to manipulate this. God dang, left-handed. You saw it. Beautiful. Can we... I think this is probably more of an aesthetic. I wonder if I can... Nope, you can use the slot to reverse flick it too. Oh, God, that's cool. This poor Hinderer's over here like, what about me? Sorry. Not much that can tear me away from experiencing a variant of Hinderer for the first time, but boy, that did it. The Brown Knives Cortex. Very, very cool. Let's just... There you go, little fella. Let's just put you right there. Okay. Where's the thing? All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this short little unboxing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I will link Hinderer knives down below. I don't think the Triway Eklipse is available at the moment, but if it is, then it'll pop up, right? Depends on when you're watching the video. But other Hinderer knives are available, so I'll link Hinderer knives in general so you guys can shop Hinderer. This guy, if I can find it, I doubt it, though. But in any case, hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.